In Year 4, we would use the formal written method of short division to calculate tens, hundreds, tens and units divided by units. So a 3-digit number divided by a single-digit number. For instance, 735 divided by 5. In my formal written method, I would put 735 in the bus stop divided by 5, and I'm going to estimate first. 100 lots of 5 is 500. I've got more than that. 200 lots of 5 is 1,000. I haven't got that much, so my estimate is going to be somewhere in the middle, about 150. So about 150 lots of 5 or 5 lots of 150 would be 735. Now I'm going to label my place value columns. 7 hundreds, 3 tens and 5 units. I'm going to think about my numbers in terms of digits. So I've got here 7. It's 7 lots of 100, but I'm going to think of it in terms of 7. Does 5 go into 7? Yes, once. I've got 2 remaining. By positioning my 2 remaining in the next column, it represents 20 tens because of the position with the 20 and the 3 tens. So now I've got 23 tens. I'm going to think of it in terms of 23. Does 5 go into 23? Yes, 4 times, remaining 3. Because of where I've positioned my 3 in the units column, the 5 units has become 35 units. Does 5 go into 35? Yes, 7. So my answer would be 147, which is nearly equal to my estimate, but I'm going to double check using the inverse calculation of multiplication. So if 735 divided by 5 is 147, that means 147 multiplied by 5 should equal 735. I'm going to use column multiplication to check that. 147 multiplied by 5. 5 sevens are 35. I'll label my place value columns. Hundreds, tens, units. 5 sevens are 35. 4 tens multiplied by 5 is 200. I've got to add my 3 lots of 10. 230. 230. 100 multiplied by 5 is 500, plus the extra 200 is 700. So my calculation is correct.